Meet JeonScraper, your unfair advantage in e-commerce intelligence. Watch how easy it is. Just paste any Shopify store URL, hit scrape, and within seconds, you're pulling real product data directly from your competitors. No APIs to configure, no code to write, just instant access to everything they're selling. And here's where it gets powerful. Every product, laid out beautifully, with images, prices, and availability. Switch to Gallery View for a visual overview, or dive into Table View for the raw data. And the insights? JeonScraper automatically analyzes pricing trends, stock levels, and product categories, so you don't just see the data, you understand it. Now let's build your battle plan. Add your own store as My Store, drop in a competitor, and bring in a supplier. One by one, you're assembling your mission, a complete competitive landscape, all in one place. Inside the war room, every tab is a weapon. The briefing gives you the full picture at a glance. The product matrix maps every product across all your stores. Price intel reveals exactly where you're winning and where you're losing. Category intel uncovers gaps in your catalog. Brand intel shows who carries what. And opportunities? That's where JeonScraper tells you exactly what to sell next, what to reprice, and what your competitors don't even have yet. And with store intel, just drop in any link and get an instant deep dive into any Shopify store. JeonScraper, know what your competitors sell before they do.